Forget everything you know about expensive API costs and lockdown frontier models. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at a brand new absolute behemoth in the open source space, Elephant Alpha. Just look at this landing page. The tagline says it all. The AI that thinks big, runs lean. We are talking about a massive 100 billion parameter language model engineered specifically for intelligence efficiency. But look at these numbers at the bottom. A 256,000 context window, a massive 32,000 max output, and the absolute craziest part. It costs $0 per 1 million tokens. During its alpha phase, this model is completely free to use. It features native function calling, structured JSON output, and prompt caching, making it a total powerhouse for developers who need raw compute without the massive overhead. You can see exactly who this was built for. Elephant Alpha isn't just trying to be another ChatGPT clone, it is explicitly designed to be your AI pair programmer, boasting insane speeds with an average latency of just 2.8 milliseconds. Now, before I show you exactly how to hook this model up for free inside OpenRouter, you need to stop what you are doing and pay attention. If you are serious about building autonomous agents and actually monetizing these workflows, you need to be inside my private school community, the AI Money Forge. Look at the community feed right now. We just crossed 347 members, and we just had a massive classroom drop with brand new modules going live. Inside the Classroom tab, I am giving away complete blueprints on AI automations, local model deployments, and the exact standard operating procedures to integrate models like Elephant Alpha into your business today. It is 100% free to join right now, but that will not last forever. Click the link in the description, get inside the Forge, and let's start building your AI empire. Alright, let's jump back to the documentation and look under the hood. There is a catch to this being completely free. If you read the alpha logging notice, it clearly states that all prompts and completions are logged by the provider to help improve the model. This is a stealth release, meaning it is not for production secrets. Do not put sensitive client data in here. This is built for prototyping, benchmarking, and running non-sensitive agent loops. And because it features a zero-friction, OpenAI-compatible API, you can literally swap out your OpenAI keys for Elephant Alpha in one line of code and start testing your workflows immediately. To prove how accessible this is, let's head over to OpenRouter.com. I'm searching for the Elephant model, and there it is. Elephant Alpha, a 100 billion parameter text model focused on intelligence efficiency. Look at the pricing tab. It is completely zeroed out. $0 for input, $0 for output. And look at the apps already abusing this free compute. In the apps using Elephant section, the #1 app using this model right now is OpenClaw, followed by Kilo Code, Hermes Agent, and Claude Code. The top developers in the world are already routing their autonomous agent traffic through Elephant Alpha to save thousands of dollars on API costs. Look right here at the sample code on OpenRouter. This is why this launch is so disruptive. They give you the exact Python, JavaScript, and TypeScript snippets. Because this is an OpenAI-compatible drop-in replacement, you don't have to rewrite your entire codebase. You literally just swap the base URL, plug in your OpenRouter API key, and your entire application is instantly powered by a 100 billion parameter beast instead of draining your wallet on GPT-4. Let's dive deeper into the actual model dashboard on OpenRouter. If we click over to the pricing tab, prepare to have your mind blown. Look at this chart. The effective pricing for Elephant, exactly $0.0000 for both input and output tokens. Let that sink in for a second. You can run massive, compute-heavy multi-agent loops, feed it 250,000 tokens of context, and your API bill at the end of the month will literally be zero. Let's jump into the OpenRouter playground and give it a quick test. I'm spinning up a new chat and asking it, what model is this? Notice the speed. It replies almost instantly, but it doesn't give a canned corporate response. It actually asks for more context. So I prompted again, how good is this model for OpenClaw and automation? And again, it fires back instantly, asking me to specify the model name, type, and the kind of automation I'm looking for. It is incredibly fast, it is raw, and it demands precise instructions. This is exactly what you want when you are programming rigid autonomous agents. If you want the step-by-step guide on how to integrate this into your OpenClaw setup today, the full written blueprint is waiting for you inside the school group. Hit subscribe, click the link below to join the AI Money Forge, and I will see you guys in the next video.